I'm a little dizzy now because of the chili and the flavor of this seasoning. It's my first time to enter the production workshop. They welcomed us inside, where they usually change their clothes. Of course, because I am wearing dirty clothes. They're going to wear the same clothes as us. This section is full of clothes, then the hairnet and the special shoes. So you can go into the production workshop. It takes several steps. Look at the beautiful spicy strips. Wow, my favorite. This is authentic. Everybody, come with me! Come with me! Then this is what our spicy strips produce. The legendary Chinese snack. The ingredients are fresh and it's safe to eat. The spicy strips are processed here. Quite impressive to see it the first time. Now we pack it. The smell of this spicy strip has made me sick. I'm a little dizzy from the smoke because of the chili flavor and the seasoning. It's a bit heavy all day long. I need a break. I want to try some now. That's how the spicy strips are filled in. Amazing. It's quality manufacturing system. It's still being sorted manually because the defectives needs to be picked out. Well, after this is manually sorted, and the machine runs all day long. After the spicy strips are packaged, this is a large package, and this is still manual process. This has been quite an adventure to see this. That smell is so strong that I am getting out of here. First-time visitors can't stand it.